ay si Mrs. Estrella Salcedo Galve. Ako ay nagtuturo sa ika-4 na baitang. Ako ay sa ngayon ay 37 years and 8 months na in the service. Bago ako na-promote sa teacher 6, teacher 3 to teacher 6, mga teacher 3, 6 years na po ako at saka at gano'n na sa teacher 6. Happy naman nakapagtapos. Classmate ko pa yung anak ko. At saka meron akong 2 anak na nakapatapos. At kasama ko rin dito sa ECP program. Lubos ng pasalamat sa ating mahal na Pangulong Ferdinando Bongbong Marcos at sa ating DepEd Secretary, Senator Sani Engara. At dahil ito ay lalo ko pang mapapabuti ang aking pagtuturo at saka para na rin sa ating mga learners mayroong ganitong programa ang ating edukasyon. Thank you.
I am Mrs. Margarita G. Gallego of the Schools Division of Guimaras. I was promoted as school principal for this March 16, 2026. And last March 16, 2024, I was school principal 3. And December 2022, I was school principal 2. But this was my greatest promotion. The last career stage for the school principal is the school principal 4. Actually, as school principal, teaching, we are devoted our time in teaching. As school principal, we also need to ensure that teaching is with utmost responsibility of our teachers. But with this program, the career progression of our dear president, we, the DepEd family, especially us in DepEd Guimaras, are very thankful. Unang-una, taos puso kami nagpapasalamat sa ating mahal na Pangulo sa programang ito, sa ating Deputy Secretary Angara, and also to our Schools Division Superintendent of the Schools Division of Guimaras, Sir Ballesteros. This program is actually motivation and inspiration to us, DepEd, because we are given opportunities to enhance our career progression, our career stages, as long as we are qualified with the guidelines set by the DepEd.
His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Kasama ang unang gina, Luis Arneta Marcos.
We gather here today to recognize and to celebrate the years that you have devoted to teaching and to serving our young people. And when you serve our young people, you are serving the future of our country. So this moment is about dignity in your profession, clarity in your path, and momentum in your careers. Hindi na kailangan antayin ang tamang pagkakataon dahil ngayon, ang sistema na mismo ang magbubukas ng pinto para sa inyo. Just as you have guided your students to grow, this system supports you and your growth as professionals. Kaya sinabi ko, hindi na tayo papayag na merong guro na magre-retire ng Teacher 1 dahil hindi naman talaga tama yun. My dear teachers, you have spent countless hours taking care of our children, the future Filipinos who will one day lead and serve our nation. You have carried this responsibility with dedication, with patience, and with heart, going way beyond what is just expected of you. For that, from the bottom of my heart, from the bottom of the heart of every Filipino and a grateful nation, thank you. Asahan ninyo mga ma'am, mga sir, na ang inyong pamahalaan ay hindi titigil sa pagkilos upang matiyak na kayo ay naaalagaan, nabibigyan ng pagkakataong umunlad at kinikilala sa inyong serbisyo. Hindi ko hahayaan na maiwanan ng ating mga guro, ang mga nagsisilbing pangalawang magulang ng ating mga kabataan. This government is with you as we uplift the quality of our education system. With you, for the Filipino youth.
Ito pinakamalaki so far, 8,000 teachers to. So we're very happy na andito po si Presidente at saka si, no less, also then the First Lady is also going to join us. So talagang ito a very big occasion and we're very proud to have no less than the President and the First Lady join us. So papasalamat tayo sa mga guro and of course, alam naman nila na hindi ito madali pero and yet binadgetan po ito, prioritize po ito ng ating mahal na Pangulo.